The cost of an Avalanche slide will reach $15 by the middle of 2023 and $20 by the middle of 2024, according to the most recent long-term estimate. By the middle of 2025, an Avalanche slide will cost $25, and by the middle of 2030, it will cost $50. Estimate of the value of an Avalanche slide. 2023 to 2024 Avalanche slide cost 10.84 cents at the beginning of 2023. It was traded for $14.55 today, so the price went up by $34. The expected Avalanche slide cost at the end of 2023 is $15.60 from year to year. Change plus 44. Which is the increase from today to the end of the year, plus 7. In 2023, we want the cost of an Avalanche slide to be $15.56. In 2024, the cost of an Avalanche slide will go from $15.56 to between $20 and $28. The end cost would be 2.22 cents. Which would bring the total for the year to $22.50 plus 55 cents for the ongoing cost. The yardstick for the next few weeks and months on June 21, 2014, 14.59 cents Thursday, June 22, 2014, 14.63 cents 14.68 cents on Friday, June 23. 14.76 cents on Sunday, June 25. Since Wednesday, June 22. 14.89 cents, Monday, June 26, 14.80 cents, Tuesday, June 27, 14.84 cents, Thursday, June 29, 14.93 cents, July 15, 15.56 cents, August 15, 15.57 cents, September 15, 15.58 cents, October 15, 15.59 cents, and November 15, 15.59 cents. The price of an Avalanche slide could go up a lot between 2025 and 2029, from $2.50 to $4.72, which is a 12% increase. Avalanche slide will start at 22.50 in 2025, jump to 22.66 in the first half of the year, and end at 25.60, which is a 76% increase from where it is now. From 2030 to 2034, the cost of an Avalanche slide is expected to rise from $47.72 to $61.47, which is a 29% increase. Avalanche slide will start the year 2030 at $47.72, rise to $50.58 in the first half of the year, and end the year at $53.43. This is a 267% increase from what Avalanche slide is expected to be worth today. 2023 to 2024 The price of an Avalanche slide went up to 10.84 cents in 2023. Avalanche slide traded at 15.14, so the price has gone up by $40 since the start of the year. The cost of an Avalanche slide is expected to be $15.70 by the end of 2023. Change plus 45 The increase from today to the end of the year plus 4% in 2023. We hope to see 17.43 per one Avalanche slide in the first half of 2020. For the Avalanche slide cost will move to 20.41 in the final part of the year. The cost would add $1.19 and close the year at 21.60, which is plus 43% to the ongoing cost. From 2025 to 2029, the cost of an Avalanche slide would rise by 73%, from 21.60 to 37 between 2030 and 2034. The cost of an Avalanche slide is expected to rise from 37.46 to 48.66, which is a 30% increase. Avalanche slide will start at 37.46 in 2030, rise to 35.60 in the first half of the year, and end at 37.60. Which is 148 more than the expected value of an Avalanche slide today, which is 050123. 2023 to 2024 Avalanche slide cost 10.84 at the beginning of 2023. It was worth 16.98 today. So the price went up by 57 since the beginning of the year. The predicted cost of an avalanche slide at the end of 2023 is $15.83, and the cost from 1 year to the next is $15.83. We hope to see $17.57 per avalanche slide in 2023. In the first half of 2020, the cost of an avalanche slide will go up to $20.58. In the last part of the year, the cost will go up by $1.20, bringing the total cost to $21.78. This is a 28% increase over the price of an avalanche slide is expected to go up between 2025 and 2029, from 21.78 to 37.77, which is a 73% increase. Avalanche slide will start at 21.78 in 2025, rise to 23.28 in the first half of that year, and end at 20.94 in 2020-25, which is a 23% increase from where it is now. Avalanche slide prediction, from 2030 to 2034. The cost of an avalanche slide would go from 37.77 cents to 49.8 cents, which is a 30% increase. Avalanche slide will start 2030 at 37.77, rise to 35.90 in the middle of the year, and end at 37.92, which is a gain of almost 123 from today's 0-4-15. How much a snowfall is likely to cost in 2023? 2023 to 2024 avalanche slide cost started at 10.84 in 2023. Today, 2023 to 2024 avalanche slide exchanged at 19.15, so the cost has gone up by 77 since the beginning of the year. The projected avalanche slide cost near the end of 2023 is 28.35. 162 increase from now until the end of the year, plus 48 in 2023. We hope to see 19.55 cents per avalanche slide in the main part of 2024. The cost will move to 31.45 in the last part of the year. The cost would add 23 cents to end the year at 31.68, which is plus 65 to the current cost. Predictions for snow slides from 2025 to 2029. There would be a big jump in these 5 years. The price of an avalanche slide would go up by 136%, from 31.68 to 74.78.